Good day everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I will be explaining how to delete all kind of viruses and malware from Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And I will be sharing few simple steps which you need to apply, and after that you will see a great change. All viruses and malware will be removed from your computer, and even the performance of your computer will be improved. So make sure you watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. In first step, I will be explaining how to boost computer performance by deleting junk, cache and unwanted files. And then in second and third step, I will explain how to delete all kind of viruses and malware from computer. So the very first thing you have to do is, you have to click on this search box and type here clean MGR. And in suggestion you will see this cleanup. Just click on it and select C drive. Then click on OK, and within few seconds this window will open where you have to select all these options, and in this list you will get recycle bin as well. If you don't want to restore any kind of data from recycle bin, just select it and then click on clean up system files, then click on OK. It will delete all kind of junk files and unwanted files from your computer, which will definitely improve your computer performance. Once it is done, click on cancel. And now you have to press Windows plus R button on your keyboard, and this run box will open. In this run box you have to type temp, T-E-M-P, and hit enter. And here you will see bunch of files and folders which you have to delete. For that, press Ctrl plus A to select all, and then press delete button on your keyboard and then click on continue. You have to delete all these files. Once it is done, close this folder, and again you have to press Windows plus R button. And now you have to type %temp% and hit enter. And here also you will see bunch of files and folders which you have to delete. So press Ctrl plus A to select all, and then press delete button on your keyboard and delete all these files and folders from here. Once it is done, close this folder and again press Windows plus R, and now you have to type prefetch, prefetch, and hit enter. And then press Ctrl A and then delete. You have to delete all these files, right? Once it is done, close this folder, and now you have to click on this search box and type here MRT. In suggestion you will see MRT, just click on it and this window will open. Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. This is a free software from Microsoft. So here you have to click on next, and on this page you will see three options: quick scan, full scan, and customize scan. If you are in a hurry, you can go with first option, quick scan. But if you can manage your time, I would recommend you to go with second option, full scan. Select it and then click on next. It will scan your computer. It will deeply scan all your computer files, and if there is any kind of infection, if there is any kind of virus, will be deleted. Meanwhile it is running, you also need to delete all kind of malware from your computer. For that, you have to open your favorite browser, then open this website malwarebytes.com. I will put this website link in this video description. This is a free malware remover software. You just need to download and install. Here you will get free download button. Just you have to click on this button and download it, and then you have to install this software. I have already downloaded and installed. Once you have installed this software, you have to open it and you will see this kind of interface. Here you have to click on scan and it will start scanning. It will deeply scan all your computer files, and if there is any kind of malware, it will detect and show you, and you can easily delete. And after applying all these solutions, finally you have to make your computer restart, and after that you will see all the viruses and malware have been removed from your computer, and even the performance of your computer is improved. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.